Hello guys, you can now claim your Claimshare Airdrop tokens to your Phantom wallets. So here is it. If you participated in this airdrop, I think I dropped it on Telegram and also here on YouTube. So whichever like wherever you see this airdrop, I think I have it on Telegram. Yeah, definitely. And I'm not sure if I uploaded a previous video about it on YouTube. I can't really remember actually. So, but here is it. They said the claiming is now live, and you can see your allocation. You can claim directly to your Solana wallet, and they will send it automatically in 72 hours. That was what they said. They will send your airdrop claim in 72 hours. Also, the Solana coin withdrawal. I want to try withdraw this free Solana that we earned. Then the task we did was to scan your Solana wallet and also do tasks, like mostly social tasks. So in doing those tasks, we earned this Solana coin. So I want to try sending this Solana coin to my wallet. I want to see if the withdrawal for this Solana coin is live. This is excluding the airdrop tokens, the CYX tokens. So this Solana coin, I don't even know how much this is worth, but let's see. I tried, it was saying failed. So let me try again and see if the withdrawal for the Solana coin is now live. But for the airdrop, I have a tip for you. For those that are saying what's it called? Not eligible, so 4 tasks required or 5 tasks required, then I will show you the tasks you have to complete for you to be eligible. Once they verify that task, then they will convert this your SP to the CYS token for you. Okay, still saying failed. Withdrawal is temporal, not unavailable. Please try again. I don't know what is going on with them actually. But for the airdrop claim, this is where you are claiming. So on the dashboard, you are seeing your mystery boxes. So I want to convert this mystery boxes because my airdrop is showing some tasks. I need to complete some tasks. So I figured I had to do some of these tasks. I don't know if I can still convert these mystery boxes. Okay, looks like the mystery boxes is unconvertible, because on this lineup here, that is when you can convert your mystery boxes. So apparently these 4 pieces I can no longer convert. So for the claim, you come to this claim, and I was saying 4 tags or 5 tags required. So some of those tags was for you to join a wait list, one trader wait list like that. No trader. So I just joined the wait list and they are reviewing my submission. So hence the reason for this ineligible. You can see my points, over 1,000,000 points here, but it's showing tax in progress. Tax progress, 5 more tax required for me to be eligible. 5 more tax required for me to be eligible. So I'll go to task. Those that completed this tax and they've been verified have seen their allocation. They've seen their allocation. That was why I said, if you are yet to, if you are saying, if you're having the same if you are in the same situation with myself, then you need to complete this tax. I just submitted this, register for a to claim waitlist badge. So for this waitlist badge, you enter your email, you click on this, you can see where my cursor is, you click on it, then it will open the next page. Enter your email, enter the your Telegram username, drop your WhatsApp number, and screenshot after you've submitted for the waitlist. Screenshot that part and upload it here. You can see pending review. So the next task was for me to like, repost, and all of that, and also this follow. So I just completed it some couple of minutes ago. That is why you're still seeing pending. So I figured that after this this waitlist badge, then I'll be able to see my allocation and I'll be able to claim to my wallet. So if you're already seeing your allocation, what you need to do is to just click on claim button and they will send it in 72 hours to your Solana wallet, your Phantom wallet precisely, or whichever Solana wallet you connected. So if you're already seeing your token, just click on claim and you receive it in 72 hours. That was what they promised, 72 hours. They mentioned it here, you see. Claimshare, this is the claim link. 72 hours CYS is sent to your wallet. So 72 hours is like 3 days. So you should hold on after you must have claimed this token to your wallet. You will receive it in 3 days. So for those that have claimed, if you've seen your allocation already, then you click on claim and you receive it in 3 days, 72 hours. So that's the claim, what's it called? The claim criteria. So they are saying verify tax, bonus reward, also okay. Like this is the only tax that is that I'm awaiting for me to be able to see my allocation. So once this is reviewed and they confirm that I've joined the wait list, I guess I'm gonna see my allocation by then. I didn't know why I was unable to do this tax earlier. I didn't check their website until now. So I guess that's why I did not get the allocation. So after this tax, I'll come back to the claim and see my allocation, and hopefully I get my tokens and await their TGE actually. So once they list, you see the price in your wallet, obviously. And from your wallet, you can swap to Solana coin directly. From your Phantom wallet, you can just use the inner swap. So in case they are not listing on CX, you can use the inner swap. Once they list and you receive your token allocation to your wallet, you're gonna see the price. Once they list, you see the price automatically in your wallet. So you can use the Phantom wallet inner swap features to swap to Solana and withdraw your Solana coin out to sell on CX. And if they eventually list on CX, I'm not sure they've announced any CX listing, but if they eventually list on CX, what you need to do is to send out from the Solana coin to from the Solana wallet to your CX account, to any CX they will be listed. I want to check if they made any CX announcement. Okay, the claim website is currently experiencing high traffic. It is not working properly at the moment. We are already working to resolve the issue. It will take a couple of hours. We will let you know. Okay, let me see when they treated this one. Okay, this is just 12 minutes ago, as you can see. So some of us that are still having issues with our claim, we should be able to claim in the couple of hours. So I just want to see if they've announced any CX listing. So if they announce any CX listing, that means you can withdraw to CX. But if they don't, just use the inner swap features on the Phantom wallet and convert or swap to Solana coin and withdraw your Solana coin to CX and sell for USDT. So it's as simple as that. They've not announced any CX listing, but within the 3 days they might eventually announce, but I don't know, since I've not seen any announcements here. Within the 72 hours claim window, they might eventually announce. I don't know, but just keep an eye on your wallet. 3 days, and let's see what comes out from this. Let's see what comes out of this airdrop reward. And that's it, guys. So you can join my Telegram community for daily updates so you don't miss out on my subsequent updates. Also join my subscribe to this YouTube channel, like and share this video, turn on your notification bell. See you guys on my next video. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.